Hi everybody, David Lopez here with ScreenBeam, also with
Stephanie Whitworth, South Central Territory Sales Manager.
All right, and we are here showing off ScreenBeam Connect. This is brand new here at InfoComm. What we're showing is wireless display with moderation, but keep in mind this is 0 apps, 0 hardware needed. So what that means is I can walk into a classroom, I can have the ability to share my screen as a teacher. So I can come up here and spotlight my screen. If you take a look back here at the screen, I'm sharing my content. But if I have a student come in and connect, they can also request to share. And now I can take their content and share it up there. So if you take a look at my screen right here, one more time, I'm going to click on Share Content. I'm going to do a request from a student. This is a student requesting. They're going to request to share. And then let's go back to the teacher screen. And the teacher goes, hey, I want to take a look at what that student's about to share. I can see it in real time, so I'm going to say accept. And now that student screen is sharing to the front of the room. And when it's ready to spotlight, I can spotlight that student here. And I have full moderation. So I have the ability to control a room as a teacher, but keep in mind this is 0 apps needed to do this. We're all doing this as browser-based. So this is brand new from ScreenBeam with full moderation. This is ScreenBeam Connect, moderation with live previews, no apps, no extensions, no dongles. This allows this to happen within, developed within being able to load it onto a display, load it onto an in-room PC. ScreenBeam Connect, brand new at InfoComm. Come see us, or if you want more information, go to www.screenbeam.com.
ScreenBeam.com.
Thank you, Stephanie. Thanks, rAVe. We'll see you guys.